It's Lon.TV, and I've got something of interest to podcasters and musicians today. It's the Tascam US-2x2, and this is a microphone interface for your computer or tablet device, and what it'll do is take analog audio sources and pump them out via USB, and you can actually output up to a 96 kilohertz signal, so you really get a nice quality audio signal out of here, a very clean audio signal as well. The hardware is very nice and sturdy. It's got a metal case here, so I don't think you're going to have any problems getting it beat up on the road, so it's really very portable and very rugged, which is nice to see. You can use XLR microphones with this, so if you have professional mics, you can just pop those right in like so. But you can also, using the same plugs, use 1/4-inch adapters. So if you have a guitar or some other instrument that you want to input to the device, you can just plug those in directly like that. You've got the 48-volt phantom power, so if you have a mic that needs electricity, like my lavalier mic does, you can just flick that 48-volt switch and get the power going there. You can also change between instruments and mics, so you can adjust it if you have a guitar in one and a mic in another. You can do that as well. You can record each channel separately depending on your software that you're plugging into. I found on the Mac there's no drivers necessary at all, as the same on the iPad as well. They do have a driver kit for Windows, and there's also a control panel for the Mac and Windows as well, so you can control some of these settings a little bit on here. Not much to control on the software side. It's all pretty much done with the dials here. You have headphones out here, so you can monitor things in real time as you're recording, so you don't have to wait for it to go loop back around to the computer. But you can also have audio coming out of the computer as well, so you can kind of hear, make sure that things sound the same going out as they are coming in, and you're able to monitor that with this dial here, which I thought was pretty cool. You've got some gain as well, so you can do some light mixing on the device. And on the back, you've got two MIDI. We have a MIDI in and a MIDI out, so you can use MIDI devices in addition to your two recording devices. So if you have like a drum kit or a keyboard or something, you can run all of that through here. It works with Garageband on the Mac, so you can really get 2 channels of audio plus your MIDI devices all going in simultaneously, which I thought was pretty cool. And you can also output the line out from here. I believe this comes out of the computer, so you can get what's coming out of the computer in real time out via these line out devices as well. And of course, you've got your USB, so you can get this stuff into your computer or mobile device. So pretty cool device, very simple, but it works really nice, and the sound quality is really clear. So what we're going to do now is plug it into my iPad so you can see how it works with a mobile device. Now, in order to get the Tascam to work with your iPad, you're going to need to get some additional stuff. The first is the overpriced USB to Lightning camera adapter from Apple, and they call it a camera adapter, but these actually work with more than just cameras, so audio devices like this one work just fine with it. And you also need to get some kind of external power into the device. So normally when you're using this with a computer, the computer can provide enough power via its USB port to get your microphones working and everything else, but on an iPad or a mobile device like this, you're going to need to have some external power. Now, Tascam sells an AC adapter, but there's another way you can go about getting power to it, which is through using a USB hub. So if you have a powered USB hub, you can run it to your iPad and then run the Tascam to the USB hub, and everything will come up and work just fine. So I was able to get everything operating. You'll see here that it is waiting for USB audio from my audio device here. If I tap on the mic, you'll see the stuff moving. So what I'm going to do now, I'm in Garageband on the iPad, by the way. I'll just start recording here. Hello, this is Lon. I am testing the microphone, and I just wanted to be able to show you how the audio sounds. So now let's hear how that sounds off the iPad recording. Hello, this is Lon. I am testing the microphone, and I just wanted to be able to show you how the audio sounds. So that is the Tascam US-2x2. I like this a lot, especially for podcasters and musicians. It's a great way to get really high-quality audio into your computer. Even if you don't have a very expensive computer with very good audio components on board, this will supplement that, because all of that analog to digital processing is happening inside the box, and it's just pushing those digital bits over that USB cable to your computer. Works great with Garageband. It works pretty much with any software that supports audio inputs and standard MIDI devices, because that's what this will show up as on your computer. So again, musicians, podcasters, people looking for very simple ways to get multi-track audio going on their computer will certainly like this, and I think this is a very good buy. They also have a 4-channel version available as well, so if you need more inputs, you can grab one of those too. This is Lon.TV. Thanks for watching.